don't wait anymore. Don't wait anymore. Don't, I would advise, don't even stake more again, because this is the right time for me, if you ask me. But before you take any decision, please kindly do your own research before taking any decision, because this is not a financial advice. But based on Terra Classic Coin, I've been holding Terra Classic Coin for quite a long time. But I will tell you, like I told most of my friends, and I was also telling some of my viewers, that it is time you need to give it up on Terra Classic, the way the coin is going. And I'm not saying you should just forget, or because some people have actually invested quite a long time and they've really lost a lot with Terra Classic. They're still hoping. Like for me, when I check the coins I have, my coins are still intact, but at least I added, using the staking, I was able to add more coins to my Terra Classic. But the price I bought Terra Classic, the price I invested Terra Classic, have really dropped by over 700 to 1000% dropped. When I saw my balance on Terra Classic, the value of my Terra Classic coins, I shouted that wow, because I've not been checking this a very long time. Okay, I've not been checking this. I'm the type that once I buy a particular coin, I'm in love with the long-term investment. Okay. Except I want to do some couple of trading. Definitely, I always trade Bitcoin, Ethereum. These are the two most coins I normally trade most times. So except I want to do some couple of trading, you can see me trading Bitcoin or trading Ethereum. But apart from these two, any other crypto coins I'm buying, most time I don't even check them, because I'm a long-time investor. That's why I keep saying I'm a long-time investor. But I decided to check to see how much what is the worth of my coins on Terra Classic. What I saw, oh God, I was surprised to see the amount, the value. That means I've dropped almost to 1,000%. I wasn't happy seeing this, and I can't even withdraw it because the money is nothing, it's too small. So I was like, well, instead of selling this off right now, let me just leave it there. But let me just forget about it there. In case tomorrow anything happens, fine. In case tomorrow anything happens, fine. So I have two wallets of Terra Classic with two different exchanges. The other one, I was able to cash out 70% of what I have. But the other one, I've just left it like that. So please, like I'm saying, please be careful with Luna. If you ask me, I will tell you to go on sell, go on red, go on bully, go on bearish. Yes, it's time you need to go on bearish. If you want to go all of it, you don't want to go 100% bearish, but you need to go on bearish. Think about it, check and analyze, ask questions and research, then take your decision. But remember, anything can happen. So why taking the decision? That's why I said this is not a financial advice. So please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.